That gun is a compact powerhouse, a modernized descendant of the classic .223 revolver rifle cut down by a wasteland farmer named Irwin. Re-engineered to fire 5.56mm rounds, it keeps the revolver's iconic look but adds a motorized cylinder for faster reloads and a unique indicator light system that changes color during use. Capable of firing over 1,000 shots before breaking, it's a favorite among gunslingers who value precision and power over bulk. You can find it in Novak, inside the Dino Bite gift shop, sold by Cliff Briscoe.
Welcome to the Dino Bite gift shop. My name's Cliff. If you're here for the T-Rex figurines, you're just in time. There's still a few left. Well, there's T-Rex figurines, of course. That's our bread and butter. We also have an assortment of the Repcon factory souvenirs, rockets, things of that nature. Guns? Well, yeah, I guess I might have a few. Darn it, no one ever buys the T-Rexes. Sure thing. Have a look. Come back soon now.